Open the glove box. Remove the access panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the filter tray. Remove the filter from the tray. Install your new filter into the tray.
Our filters will use what is called an airflow indicating arrow, which should be pointed down.
Once installed, insert the tray into the housing and clip the housing panel back on. Please note,
Toyota OE filters use basic directional arrows, which is why the tray and housing cover say up.
Reinstall the filter access panel by aligning the tabs and then pressing until they click into place. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.